Hi guys, welcome back to Learning with Abdul channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna explain you about the science worksheet. The topic is distance time graph. Alright guys, let's get started. Distance time graph, a plot graph, and calculate the average speed throughout the journey. A car travels 30 miles for 30 minutes. The car then stops at a service station for 10 minutes. The car continues its journey for 20 minutes and reaches back home. So guys, in this number column we have to write 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, 1 over here, 2, 3. And then guys, in this distance one we have to write 30 miles over here, and this time one we have to write 30 minutes right over here. So guys, 30 divided by 30 is 1. In speed we have to write 1. So 30 divided by 30, 1 at speed. And then guys, and then this time one at the bottom one we have to write 20, and then the distance we have to write 0, because guys we have to write in the time. In the second one we have to write 10 right over here. Over here we have to write 10. And then guys, in this distance one we have to write 0, because it says the car then stops at a service station for 10 minutes. At 10 minutes guys, it doesn't cover any distance because it's just stopping and just waiting, so it doesn't cover any distance, so it's 0 right in this distance. And then guys, what you have to do is we have to just do this 0. So guys, 0 divided by 10, which is 0, and over here at the second one 0. And then guys, at the third one at this we have to write 30 right over here, or here we have to write 30. Okay guys, and then right over here we have to write 20 minutes. And then guys, so we have to do 30 divided by 20, which is 1.5. we have to write in this one bottom one 1.5. and then guys, let's move on. Our first question is finished. So guys, let's go to the question 2. So guys, in this question 2, it's a girl walks at steady speed for 20 seconds and covered 30 meters. She stops for 15 seconds, then further walked ahead to friend's home 20 meters away. It took her 15 seconds to reach. So guys, in this number 1, as I said, we have to 1, 2, 3, same with this 1, 2, 3. And then guys, in this distance one, in the first column we have to write 30 meters right over here. And then over here in this time one we have to write 20 seconds. So what we have to do, we have to divide 30 divided by 20, which is 1.5, and then the speed we have to write 1.5. so the first column answer is 1.5. Guys, let's move on to the second one. We have to write over here, we have to write in the second one 0, and the second time one we have to write 15 seconds. So what we have to do is we have to divide 0 divided by 15, which is 0, and we're gonna put over here 0. And then let's move on to the third distance one. So over here we have to put 15, and then in this time one also we have to put 15 over here. So 15 divided by 15, which is 1, and then on the last one we have to put 1. So over here it will be 1. And then guys, over here in this we have finished the question 2. Then we have to go to the question 3. So as in this question 3 we have to, a car drives for 1.5 hours at constant speed of 60 miles per hour, then stops for 30 minutes. It then drives back to where it started at 45 miles per hour in 2 hours. So guys, as I said, numbers 1, 2, 3. So guys, on this distance we have to write 60. Over here we have to write 60 in this one. And then time we have to write over here 1.5 hours. Then what we have to do is, wait, let me just calculate guys. we have to write 1.5 at the first one also, guys. We have to write 1.5, guys. Over here we have to write 1.5, guys. And the second distance one we have to write 0. And on the second, this one right over here, we have to write 30 minutes. So 0 divided by 30, which is 0. So in this one we have to write 0. So guys, in this last distance one we have to write 90, and then in this time last column we have to write 2 hours. So guys, 90 divided by 2, which is 45. So at the last one we have to write 45, guys. And guys, when we wrote this, then we're done, guys. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.